Hi guys, welcome to our video. And today, we're gonna mukbang with me, and with Tita Day, and with Tita Bilis.
Okay.
And we got the food here that we're gonna show you. This is it. The food that we ordered from the Jollibee.
Wow. Hi guys.
And today, we're now eating competition.
Huh?
I'm just kidding.
Just kidding. I'm kidding.
And now, let's start our mukbang. Let's go!
Start sleeping na. Nakakaahagal sa baba. Wala na ice cream.
Sabay ice cream.
Ano, kulang kanin, no? Kulang yung kanin, no?
Ah! Ah!
Bakit mo sabi, tinatanong ko sa'yo kung kulang yung kanin sa'yo?
I got your chocolate!
Ano matamis?
Ah!
Wala akong nilagay dyan. May ice cream. Walang ice cream ako nilagay. Lasang chocolate talaga.
Ha!
Honey.
Hi guys!
Sila doon shout po. Kasi natutulog na sa baba eh.
Kamag-like sila.
Hindi.
Sige.
Oo, mag-like sila pero tayo mapapalayas. Baka magulat tayo na nasa labas na yung gamit natin pag umalis tayo. Sarap.
Ah!
Mami,
Spicy chicken, ice cream burger.
Can I have the ice cream? Can I have one?
Mm-mm.
Well, mag-ano ka? Mag-burger? Burger. Diba? Tuwan-tuwa si Jelay na.
Nagtatabi ko yung pagkain daw niya, pagkain daw ng Jollibee, lasang